Hello, boss. Let me introduce our rack convenient dishwasher to you. This model number is Z-200, but this one is very special. First, you can see the body of the machine made in stainless steel 304.
But for this machine, we make in double layer. Normally, here is only the single layer. This is the second layer. Can keep the temperature of the machine and save a lot of power. Now, please follow me to check the details. And this way is the enters the way. And first, you can see the washing arm. Total, we have 8 pieces of the washing arm. Up is 4 pieces. The down is the 4 pieces too. Here you can see is the electrical box. First, here is the energy stop button. All our machine with this button. If the machine with any problem or any very emergency accident happened, we can use this button like this. So the machine will stop immediately. Make sure the safe of the labor and the machine. This is our control panel. We used a very simple and traditional button to control the whole machine working. This is the start button. When we press this button, the machine will be on working status, and the light will be lying, and the water will fill with the machine immediately. The heaters will be working also. And here we have the 2 temperature screen. The washing temperature is over 52 and rinsing temperature is over 82. And when the machine with the water and the temperature is arrived the standards, then we can use this button. This button is the washing and rinsing working button. When we press this button, the machine will be on working of the washing the dishes now. Now, here is the menu and automatic and duster button. This way is the dish out way. And you can see we have 2 rinsing arms. This one up and down have both the arm is the high pressure rinsing and this one is high temperature rinsing. The water from this program is most cleanest and can be recycled back to the before program and back to the high pressure program, then back to the washing program. Now, the part you see is our heat recovery part, and we use this one to save a lot of power of the machine. Normally, we will put our Leisure logo here. Of course, we can put your logo here also. If you have any other problem or question, please contact us.